All right, new arrival. One of the craziest cars I've ever had in the shop, and perhaps the best factory slant nose on the planet, is this 1989 930S factory slant nose in paint to sample forest green metallic. This car in this color, you gotta see this. This is forest green metallic, paint to sample. It's an unbelievable color on this car. As you see, you got the box rockers, the factory balsa wood slats. These are the original tires on the car. So again, the car is originally from Japan. So you have the European bumpers, European exhaust, European motor. It's got the original sticker back there from when it was delivered new in Japan. It's a stunning car. This is a full sonderwunsch program car. So you guys see this interior. Again, it still has all the decals from being a Japanese car or delivered new to Japan. Look at these factory installed, full power Recaro seats, all leather with all the seat controls right there. Gotta love the 80s, so sweet. Again, all leather interior. You can see the decals again from being a Japanese car. They have some necessary items to identify a few things. That's the horn. But check out the miles. Only 215 kilometers. Yep, 215 kilometers on this car. All original. No modifications. It's a pretty trick. The Japanese cars also had this, another regulation, is to have this special seat cover back there for the rear seat. Very cool. Just for the Japanese spec car. That's all leather. The car just smells incredible. It's just leather everywhere on this. Back of the seats, full leather. Just a stunning car. So again, it's a 1989. As we all know, the only year for a 5-speed transmission in forest green metallic. It's a stunning, stunning car.